How to log in Netflix account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log in on your Netflix account. So if you are using Android, just make sure you have downloaded Netflix application from the Play Store. It's available free for there. And once you click on the Netflix application, you'll be seeing this first screen. Simply click on this get started option over here, and you might as well add your Gmail from the beginning from here, or what you can do is simply click on this sign in option over at the top. And if you haven't already created your Netflix account, you can simply create it by using this button over at the bottom, sign up now. So if you have an existing account, you can simply click on here and enter your Gmail or phone number which you have used to register into your Netflix account. And once you type in all of your login credentials, simply click on sign in button and you should be successfully logged into your account. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.